Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of using multiple remotes to control your entertainment system, programming a Verizon Fios remote to your TV can make things much more convenient. Once paired correctly, the Verizon Fios remote can handle common functions like power, volume, and input selection, allowing you to control both devices with a single remote. The setup process is usually quick, but the exact steps can vary depending on the model of your Verizon Fios remote and your TV. The good part is that most pairings only take a few minutes to complete. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps to connect a Verizon Fios remote to your TV. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the TV using its power button before programming the Verizon Fios remote. Step 2. Check the batteries inside the Verizon Fios remote. Step 3. Enter pairing mode on the Verizon Fios remote. Step 4. Follow the setup process with the Verizon Fios remote. Step 5. Test volume controls using the Verizon Fios remote. Step 6. Confirm the TV responds properly to the Verizon Fios remote.